able to do that and get away with the series?
Well, I'm just really happy to because kasi kung hindi, so what you said, find a way, and we as a team found a way today. Sarap naman sa meeting. But again, it's not it's just one win. It's a best of 7 series. So you gotta win 3 more. And hopefully, tuloy-tuloy yung maganda like today. Especially we had 28 assists. And from the next game up to the last, we really have to just find a way to win. Kasi first, ito na yung na. And 3 more. Mukhang imposible, pero wala na imposible.
Ito yung win for maganda yung laro niyo.
I guess siguro may sana maganda na yung nilaro from the start. But I try to iwasan yung gano'n na to look back nung past game. But yeah, of course, may isip mo rin sana nilaro namin since game 1. At least siguro medyo makasong chance namin, or at least baka nakakuha pa kami ng extra na namin. But that's in a series like this, yung past is wala. Importante ngayon is to look